Okay, hi guys. I know you need a video update of okay. I took your old beads out because your beans the new your color like spray on Lindina Nisasena. So more on the later and then kushi your beads if you're from LA. You know they're glass beads, so they're heavier and they don't go on. So Luna look more. I would put it on my head, but thầu của mình là sờ á, này của mình là sờ tự nhiên mấy giò lúc tao học á, chị cũng lông chỉ lại. So của nó chị sẽ bảo hộ cho niece là lúc tao học sao. But it looks like this, and then good try comment that this is from the back. This is where I sewed it together. Okay, and then there's all the way around. All right, and then my niece also called me like I want to say about a month ago that when we were still long gone okay. So this is it. Okay, there's the gold trim and then the green. Almost same exact. It's just different color. But there's two of these, and then what Julia, and then there's this one. This is the gorgeous, pretty one. This one là đai cho beads á, là mất đai xí tiền jungle. But this is how it looks like. And then if you guys are wondering how the inside looks like, usually not, okay. They kind of flat me, but there's bead in the middle right here, so that okay. And then and then if you guys are wondering if they used that thick plastic thing that to stabilize it, it doesn't seem like it has it at all on three of these hats. Like they put a stabilizer in it or something, or interface to stabilize it. So yeah, so on the outside all the designs and everything, the beads, and then okay. So if you guys are wanting to make one, here you go. Measure your head and and then create a tail. And then I'm gonna sew that together. You dye your beads, dye everything. To protect the your beads. Okay, bye.